G'day, Dave Conroy here from Vaporooter Australia. And look, I've been in the plumbing industry for over 40 years. And in that time I've seen thousands of block drains. They're usually caused by tree roots. In fact, 85% of them are caused by tree roots. But you know what? If you live in a beautiful garden like this and you've got roots growing in your sewer, I know how painful that can be. Whether it's on Christmas Day or Grand Final Day when you've got the family over and you're celebrating and there's a run on the toilet, the washing, the laundry, and your sewer overflows. It's ugly. And then you have to get an emergency plumber out, which is costly. And on top of that, he then tries to tell you that you're going to have to spend 15 or 20 grand to repair the problem. And if your plumber tells you that it's going to cost you 20 grand to fix it, stop. You need to know that there's another way. And all you need to do is call us on 1-800-637-600. Let's hear about what your situation is, and I'm sure we can get a sensible, cost-effective solution just for your home. It's worth a call.